everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster install. Today we're installing a Sprint Booster on this 2021 Camaro SS 1LE. Sprint Booster is the #1 throttle control module on the market. When it debuted at SEMA, it won SEMA's Best New Product. That's why it's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide to give their machine a little bit more up and go when accelerating, merging, and just overall driving around town. It also has a few features like sport mode, or you could go straight to race mode if you want that more aggressive pedal feel. There's also valet mode and pedal lock mode, which gives you a little bit more security in your machine. So the first thing you're going to need to do is take your key fob and put it 10 feet away from your car and wait for 10 minutes. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then you're ready to go ahead with the install. After that, you're going to need to grab yourself a 10mm socket to remove the bolt that attaches the pedal assembly to the car. There's a little plastic cap you take off, which will reveal the 10mm bolt. Remove that to remove the pedal assembly. Above the pedal, you'll see the clip to the harness. Unclip that and plug the Sprint Booster in line. Plug the controller into the Sprint Booster and route it up to your dash. Mount it on your dash with the provided adhesive and tuck all the wires away with the provided zip tie. On the side of the controller, there's a little switch where you can switch between automatic and manual. Make sure you switch to the manual if you have a manual car like us, or leave it on the automatic setting, which is by default, which comes with the factory. The Sprint Booster really takes it to the next level to help your machine accelerate a little bit quicker, and even when passing on the highway, gives you that little bit more up and go, so you can pass safely and merge into the next lane, no problem. If you don't want to clutter up your dash, you can simply click on the setting that you want, unplug the controller from your Sprint Booster, and the Sprint Booster will remember the setting you have, and then you can just carry on as normal. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications. Thanks for checking out another video. If you like what you saw, give us a comment down below and let us know what other machines you'd like to see. If you need help with your install, shoot us a message, and also check out some of our other videos because we might have already installed one of these on your machine. Thanks guys, have a great day.